Today, we gon' show you how to disassemble and fix the Honor Magic 6. The Porsche Design Honor Magic 6 is a high-performance smartphone with a premium design. It is powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor and has up to 24 GB of RAM. It also features a number of enhanced chips, including a discrete security chip, an RF enhanced chip, and a power enhanced chip. It is true that Honor, which has spun off from Huawei, is not subject to US government sanctions. As a result, the Porsche Design Honor Magic 6 model, BVLN59, which is the international version of the phone, has full access to Google services. This is a major advantage for many Android users, as many Huawei phones released in recent years have not been able to use Google services due to the US sanctions. This has forced many Huawei users to switch to other brands of phones. While it is still not possible to buy a Huawei phone that supports Google services, Honor, as a former subsidiary of Huawei, is very similar in terms of system, battery, and photography. This means that users can get a similar experience to a Huawei phone without having to worry about not being able to use Google services. Okay, let's start to disassemble it. Take out the Toolbox PTT13, which is made by Polartec and specially prepares the necessary tools for mobile phone repair. All in one, this set is enough. First, use the SIM ejector tool to remove the SIM card tray. Heating is essential to remove the back cover. We will use the Magic self-heating pad for this. We take out the pieces, tear off the outer packaging, and then wait for 10 minutes. The Magic self-heating pad will continue to generate heat, and then we will apply it to the back cover of the phone. After waiting for another 10 minutes, touch the back of the phone with your hand. When it feels too hot to handle, you can start removing the back cover. We use safety razor blade, open a gap. Add some alcohol to make it easier. Insert the disassembly card. Cut the edge glue around. The phone has a triple-lens rear camera system that includes a 50MP main camera, a 50MP ultra-wide camera, and an 8MP periscope telephoto camera. The Porsche Design Honor Magic 6 continues the minimalist style of Porsche design, with a titanium alloy body and a ceramic back panel for an exceptional feel and texture. The mirror decoration on the back of the phone adopts a double-curved rectangular module design. Remove all the screws. It's important to note that while all the screws are Phillips head, the screws in the red circle are made of a special metal that cannot be attracted by a magnetic screwdriver. Therefore, tweezers must be used to remove them. Pry open the antenna cover. The lid integrates multiple antennas, wireless charging coils, flashlights, and other functions. Disconnect the battery connection using a spudger. Note that there are two connectors. Disconnect the antenna connection using the tweezers. Disconnect other connectors. The phone's battery has pull tabs, but it's still a bit difficult to remove. We dripped in a little alcohol, and voila, it came off much easier. Before removing the motherboard, be aware that there is one more screw securing it. We will use a convex cross to 0.5 screwdriver, which is included in our PT213 toolkit. Ignoring this screw and attempting to force the motherboard out will inevitably damage it. Take out the motherboard. Next, remove the speaker module. There is an antenna board built into the speaker module, which reminds me of the design of the Huawei P30 Pro. Take a look at the charging port board. Integrated SIM reader. Charging port. And microphone on the back. Remove the fingerprint cable. The fingerprint sensor does not utilize the in-display optical fingerprint recognition technology that is popular among flagship smartphones today, which is a bit disappointing. However, real-world testing reveals that the traditional optical fingerprint recognition does not compromise the recognition speed, as it remains fast and accurate. Appreciation of internal components. Vibrator. 50MP selfie camera. TOF 3D selfie camera. Stereo loudspeaker. Wi-Fi signal antenna. Charging port subboard. SIM tray holder. 180MP periscope telephoto camera. 50MP wide main camera. 50MP ultra wide camera. LiDAR Matrix Autofocus System. The Honor Magic 6 RSR's motherboard is meticulously crafted to deliver exceptional performance and power efficiency, seamlessly integrating cutting-edge components within a compact and optimized layout. Let's put all the parts back together. The final and critical step in the disassembly and reassembly process is adhering the back cover. We utilize B7000 adhesive for this purpose, ensuring a strong and durable bond. Carefully apply the B7000 adhesive around the entire perimeter of the frame, following the original adhesive markings if present. Allow the adhesive to cure for approximately 2 minutes. This initial drying period ensures that the adhesive is tacky enough to form a strong bond but not so wet that it becomes difficult to handle. Carefully align the back cover with the frame, ensuring proper positioning and orientation. Firmly press the back cover onto the frame, ensuring a tight and seamless fit without any gaps. Utilize rubber bands to secure the back cover and frame together, applying even pressure around the perimeter. This step maintains the pressure while the adhesive fully cures. Allow the adhesive to cure for at least 2 hours before using the phone. This initial curing period ensures a strong and durable bond. The adhesive reaches its maximum strength after 24 hours. During this period, avoid applying excessive force or strain to the back cover to allow the adhesive to fully cure and reach its peak strength. Thanks for watching.